Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about personal pronouns. They are like I, you, we in Spanish. So let's go ahead. So first we come with I. I, we say yo in Spanish. Yo. Yo. I is yo. Okay. Now we have two you in Spanish, unlike in English. The first is informal, second is formal one. So the informal goes like this. You, we say tú. Tú. Okay? Tú. ¿Tú cómo te llamas? Tú. You. Next one is usted. 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 So tú you use when you speak with your friends, or with the people you're very close with. And usted you use with informal situations, maybe when you speak with your boss, also when you speak with your parents, right? So yeah, that is it. And we have he. He is él in Spanish. Él. He is él. She is ella. Okay? He is él. She is ella. Now we come with we. We is nosotros. Nosotros. Nosotros, we. You all. Now again we have two you all over here. So the first you all is the informal one, and the second is formal. It's just like they are just plural of this form, okay? Of two. So the plural of two is vosotros. Vosotros, when you say vosotros, you means you all. It means informally you are addressing. Vosotros. And of usted, that's formal you. When you say you all, you say ustedes. Ustedes. Okay? Ustedes. You all is ustedes. Ustedes. Usted. Ustedes. So it's formal. They. So they is ellos in Spanish. Ellos, and ellos can include both boy and girl. Alright? Or ellos can also only include a group of male. Ellos. Now we have another they in Spanish, right? Unlike in English, that's ellas. Now ellas you use only to denote a group of people when they are female. Alright? So it's ellas. So it's just plural of ella. Ella is she, and they is ellas. Okay, plural of él is ellos, but ellos is like ellos can include both girl and boys, or only boys. Yeah. So here we're gonna learn about again we're like revisiting it. Now actually in Spanish we have two we in Spanish. One is nosotros and another is nosotras. Okay, nosotros we use for the male and nosotras for female. Like when group of males say we, then it's nosotros. When group of females says we, then nosotras. Simple. Alright, so the question is, what about if there are a group of male and female, both of them, right? Then again we use nosotros as a default. So nosotros can mean a group of boys or mixture of them. Okay, and we have you all. Again, you all we have two. First is vosotros, vosotras and vosotras. Again the same concept. Okay, group of male, group of female, the same concept. Now you may be thinking, why I didn't told you in the earlier slide, like why I didn't mention this. It was because we don't use them much. Okay, nosotros, nosotras, vosotras, they are very minimally used, and mostly we use this form. So that's all things. So you got to focus more on them. They are rarely used, and this one, they, ellos and ellas, we already know what they are, right? So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.